Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a professional looking lanyard mock-up using this Canva. So either you're designing for an event, a corporate project, or just for fun, this guide will help you create a stunning mock-up that you can showcase or share. So of course, the first thing you need to do here is to go to this website, search for this thecanva.com, and then you will be able to see here this one. So as you can see here, Canva is a free to use online graphic design tool. And here guys, we are now on the dashboard of the Canva. So first we need the actual design for the lanyard. So if you've already created your design, that's great, and if it's not, let's quickly create one together. So here you need to click on create design. So as you can see here, there are different kinds of design that you can make here, but on this tutorial we are making a lanyard mock-up. So here, go to the custom size, and of course here guys, you can search on the Google if what is the standard size of a lanyard. So here you'll be able to see here this one, so you can copy here the sizes, and that's it guys. And you just need to enter here the width, the height, and then of course the unit. You can change it to guys, depending on what size. So here guys, I will be going to type here, this is 810 width, and then the height 40 and then of course here guys, you'll be directed to the other page, which is this will lead you to this one. So this is the size of your lanyard right now. So what you need to do here is you can use the element, text, and photos to design your lanyard. So here you can add your logo, a brand name, or any patterns you'd like to include. So here guys, I'm going to change my color here. So here guys, if you can't find the exact graphic you want, you can use a plain lanyard image from the photo section instead. So here guys, you can upload your previously created lanyard design by clicking on uploads or upload files. Right now guys, to make your mockup visually appealing, choose a neutral background. You can go to the background and select a light gray, beige, or white gradient. So here, you can add additional elements like your logo or a small tagline to frame the mockup. So as you can see here, I am choosing my design. So you can search for abstract lines guys, depending on you what kind of lanyard you'll be making. So here, what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna adjust the size of my design, and then I want to duplicate this one. So here, it will take some time, but it just depends on you guys. So right now guys, I am still designing this one. So here guys, just a pro tip guys. This lanyard is just for fun. This is not for a company or what. So you can use vibrant colors guys and high contrast elements to make your lanyard design pop. So here, I am now duplicating my first design and then just distributing it and arranging it properly so that it will be more like professional. So here guys, you can see here, you can use the position and resize tools to adjust your design so it fits perfectly over the lanyard shape. And if the graphic doesn't match, you can use the crop tool to trim or adjust parts of your design. So right now guys, this is the last part, and here guys, I'm going to put it here because I'm going to add here a logo or a name of my company. So pro tip guys, you can hold the shift key while resizing to maintain proportions. And to make it more realistic, guys, add a text here. So here I'm gonna be choosing a text here that will be fitted here. So as we all know, guys, these mockups help you showcase your lanyard design in a realistic and visually appealing way. So this is especially important when pitching ideas to clients or presenting your work in a portfolio. So here, guys, using this website for mockups ensures that you can easily make changes or updates to your design based on feedback. So this is very flexible and dynamic way to refine your project. So in this part, guys, I am now going to add the last part, which is the text. So these lanyards are often used in events, corporate settings, or promotional campaigns. So having a professional mockup ensure consistency and quality in their visual identity. So of course, guys, you can also save time here by creating mockups in Canva. It is very quick and easy compared to traditional design software, so making it excellent choice for designers or marketers with tight deadlines. So here, by mastering this process, you not only elevate the quality of your design, but also enhance your ability to communicate ideas effectively, because these mockups are an essential tool for modern design workflows. So here, guys, you can also see here that this mockup allows the clients to see how the design will look in real life. It bridges the gap between flat designs and the final product, making the decision-making process easier. So here, this is the last part, guys, which is the text. You can adjust the color, guys, depending on you. So here, you can also adjust the font size. And what I need to do here is I'm just gonna duplicate this one as what I did a while ago. That's it. And here, duplicate that one again. So make sure, guys, to arrange it properly. So here, so you can see that one. And right after that one is, of course, to make your lanyard more appealing, you need to duplicate the lanyard layer and change its color to a slightly darker tone. Here, you'll be able to see that one. So you can go to transparency and lower it to about 30. Then offset this layer. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.